Stop the gimmick and create new job opportunity. This is our mantra. This is our slogan. My dear comrade, we should notice that this is happening when more than 8 lakhs of vacancies are remaining unfilled under the union government. More than 8 lakhs of vacancies are remaining vacant. Narendra Modi is taking the approach of deceiving the people by giving the appointment orders which should be received by the candidate ordinarily through the post office under the false label of Rozgar Mela, spending crores of rupees from the public treasury only on this propaganda, only this gimmick, only for this gimmick. My dear comrade, the government should apologize. I would like to urge to the government of India. Government should apologize to the young women and men of the country. They themselves had to burst the billion inflated by the government and a section of the media. The country does not need this kind of gimmick in this context of high unemployment. We need to create new jobs. These years, union government is coming up since 2014. We could hear the mantra to boost manufacturing and generate jobs, but the results have fallen short of expectations. And GST has had adverse effects on small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, which are often the largest sources of employment in our country. The hasty implementation of GST and its complex structure led to disruption in these business area, resulting in job losses. But proudly I can say one thing. I would like to share very proudly one thing with you, comrade. I am coming from, as you know, that I am coming from Kerala. My dear comrades, across the country, unemployment has been escalated. But at the same time, please look into the Kerala. You can see how Communist Party of India Marxist-led left government formulating policies for the youth in the Kerala. Only during the fiscal year of 2022-23, Kerala created 1.5 lakhs of micro, small, medium enterprises in a single year, which means that more than 1.5 lakhs job created. My dear comrades, also Kerala government year of enterprises projects gets recognition for best practice model to promote MSMEs. We know very well about the pathetic situation of the condition of Union Public Service Commission. But I would like to remind one thing, you comrade. Since 2016, we know the Left Democratic Front, led by CPIM, Comrade Pinarayi Vijayan. Proudly we can say that under the Public Service Commission, during this period, 2,21,432 job advisors has been sent by Kerala Public Service Commission. So this is the remedy. This is the alternative. This is the alternative model of left government. So, I would like to urge to the government of India, stop the drama, stop the gimmicks, and provide job and new job opportunities and create posts. This is our slogan. As I mentioned in my introductions, our country is going through a crucial phase. Many people are escaping from the country which is under Modi regime. During 2015 and 2021, more than 8.81 lakh people gave up their Indian citizenship. Comrade, today we are peacefully gathering here after the decade of independence struggle. BJP is selling our country to Adani and Ambani. When the Prime Minister says, Sabka Sat, Sabka Vikas, he is going Ambani or Adani ke saath and making Ambani or Adani ka Vikas. My dear comrades, as responsible youth of the country, we, Democratic Youth Federation of India, should be in the street to question them. I would like to remind BJP one thing, that I don't think Indian youth is like your Yuva Morcha. DYFI will be in the forefront against the anti-youth policies of the Modi government. Our demand is very clear and specific. We need more employment and better education. We will struggle until the ends meet. I urge every comrades to be part and strengthen the campaign and struggles carried forward by the DYFI and to be a responsible youth. I would like to greet everyone again on behalf of Democratic Youth Federation of India Central Executive Committee, and I would like to congratulate all of you on behalf of Democratic Youth Federation of India Central Executive Committee. Especially, I would like to congratulate DYFI and TYF, all leaders and all comrades. I would like to conclude my speech. Red salute, long live martyrs. My dear comrades, I would like to conclude. Red salute, we can meet again.